going to do another look on the James Charles X Morphe palette just because this palette has me so inspired. So I'm just going to conceal with, or prep with the MAC Prep and Prime Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't even do the intro. So this is just a video, another eyeshadow tutorial, inspired by my friend Nicole May. And I'll kind of talk about that a little bit, but I didn't even okay, so I'm gonna, I didn't even give an intro. I'm a mess, sorry. Now I'm gonna use the shade Social Blade, and I'm gonna build this up into my crease. I'm doing a look inspired. I would like to go to my friend MUA. She did this amazing look with the Fish Art Alien palette, which I don't have, so I'm gonna be doing this. Pretty. This is like a really pigmented lime green. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of B on the top just to make it like more yellow. I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm gonna take this stained wet mouth brush and the color Daddy just to start deepening up. This could either get very muddy or very cool, and I don't know how she did this. Did she do a video on her Instagram? Let me go look. Of course she does, okay. Let's watch that really quickly. Oh, she did the purple first! Well, we're gonna do the purple now. So I'm gonna take the shade Escape on this Luxie brush. Whoa, the shade is so freaking pigmented. I'm gonna take the wet mouth brush again with Daddy and just try and diffuse those edges. So now I'm gonna go in with a cut crease concealer. Huda Beauty concealer in whipped cream 00G. I always get way too much concealer on my hand. So now I'm just gonna set the inner corner concealer with the shade Flashback, the white shade. Totally see myself traveling with this palette, but because it's got literally every single shadow you would ever need to do a colorful look, a natural look, like it literally has anything, but it's huge. Now instead of the like brown green shade she has, I'm gonna use the like shimmery purpley one from James' palette called Artistry on my finger. Super happy with the way this turned out, so I'm just gonna... Now I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be clear. I got a lot on my hands. Oh my god, this feels so good. My face gets so red when I put on primer. I'm gonna rub it. Oh my god, this feels so good. I'm gonna throw some gel in my brows while I let this dry down for a quick second. So I'm gonna run you guys through that. What I really have been doing lately is I've been taking my Milk Makeup my Milk Makeup Grind Cush Fiber Brow Gel and back combing my brows to get all the hairs coated and then combing it forward. And that's literally how I've been doing my brows lately, just because I feel like doing lately, because I haven't been feeling like putting product in my brows. Probably out of laziness, but whatever. And I think this has dried down a little bit, but still remains like a little bit tacky. Oh my god, I freaking like this so far. Okay, for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I just want a quick low layer. I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of the Smashbox Primerizer. Or not the primerizer, the My skin looks bomb right now with that combo. So I'm gonna go with the Tarte Shape Tape. I think I'm gonna mix it with the Catrice one. If I can find it. Here it is. I'm gonna mix it with the HD Liquid Camouflage Concealer by Catrice. I'm gonna go with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder under my eyes and down there. But on the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. I recently did a partnership with Dermablend on this powder, and ever since then, I haven't been able to put it down because it has been setting my makeup, but it still allows some of that like luminosity to peek through, which I've been living for. Now I'm gonna go in with my under eyes before I finish my face. So I'm gonna take Social Blade. This might get muddy. I might need a new brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the green Social Blade, or the green Daddy color. I have the ugliest bottom lash line face. Now I'm going in with Artistry. Oh, wow, I look crazy. Now I don't have a lime green eyeliner like Coley did. I don't have a lime green eyeliner like Coley did, so I'm going to do, okay. I'm literally just dropping everything. Okay, for my waterline, I'm gonna use Lime Crime Alien. I don't suggest this because I don't know if it's their waterline safe. Do at your own risk. My eyes started watering, then my camera got full, and then my battery was telling me it was dying. So while my battery's been charging, I applied a little bit of a liner, and then I smoked out the edge of it over here with Benny and Spook and a little bit more of the purple shade Artistry. So now I'm just gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna go with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This mascara is like one of the most volumizing mascaras. Almost clumpy, but in the best way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes, and then we'll be back to finish the face makeup. I'm back with lashes on. So now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Light Medium Studio Fix Sculpting Palette. And I'm gonna go in with Sculpt on a Morphe E34. I'm gonna kind of use this to just bronze too, because this palette is like, they're really neutral shades, which is good. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. What is this called? The Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. I don't feel like any of these are really that cool toned. Like this looks more cool toned on camera than it actually is, but I like to take that shade for bronzer on a Morphe, on an Aesthetica P12 brush. Just kidding, not Morphe. I just assumed it was Morphe. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe, the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter with this Huda Beauty brush. I'm gonna take Ring Light on my inner corners. I just realized I didn't apply blush.
Oh my god. How you doing over there, champ?
Oh my god. I just realized my video was literally just playing. I'm gonna apply Milani Luminoso. And Coley, I'm all up in your girl. And Coley had a really like bold lip. I think I wanna go more nude. So I'm gonna go in with the Measurable Difference lip liner and the color Dusty Rose. No, I'm not. I don't like that. Not for this look. True Fiction Cosmetics and Deep Natural. So now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia lipstick in Honey, if I can find it. Hack. Shh, I didn't tell you this. And that completes the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps my videos a lot, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.